Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, the channel that makes math easy and fun. If you enjoy solving exponential problems step by step, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and let's begin. Today Olympiad problem is 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals 25 raised to power x minus 2. We will solve this question step by step as first of all, we will write 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals 25 can be write as 5 square and this will be multiplied x minus 2. Here we apply the rule that is a raised to power m whole power n equals a raised to power m multiply n. So 2 is multiplied by this power. We will solve this as 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals 5 raised to power 2x minus 4. Here we apply another important rule that is if a raised to power m equals a raised to power n, when the bases are same, we will say that the exponents are also same. So m equals n. We will apply this rule here, then we will get x plus 1 equals 2x minus 4. Now we will arrange the like terms, then get 2x minus x equals 1 plus 4, which implies that we will subtract this and get x equals 1 plus 4 is 5. So answer of x equals 5. Now in the last I will assign you a bonus question and you will solve and write the answer in the comment section. So question is 4 raised to power x plus 1 equals 16 raised to power x minus 2. You will solve this and write the answer in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming video. In the next video, we will solve another most interesting Olympiad math problem. Stay tuned. Best of luck.